Hello everyone, I want to share to you how to install and set up new account in Coinbase. In your mobile, just go to your Play Store, Google Play Store, and type Coinbase. And install. Okay, what is Coinbase? Coinbase is a digital currency exchange. Yung office nila is located in San Francisco, California, and founded in June 2012. Yung Coinbase is same lang siya sa Coins.ph. Is a digital e-wallet. We can send and receive Bitcoin or any other coins, digital currencies. Once natapos na yung installation, open nyo lang yung Coinbase. So una, sign up muna tayo. Click sign up. Then type nyo lang yung first name, last name, email address, and your personal password. Check nyo lang yung I certify that I'm 18 years of age. Then click sign up. Please take note, always remember yung email nyo at saka yung password nyo. After you finish your sign up for registration, they will send you an email for verification. So punta lang kayo sa email ad nyo, then just click the email coming from them for verification. Okay, next they will send an email again to put your mobile number, and also they need an ID for verification. Then after that, all finish and you can log in to your Coinbase account. Try natin mag-log in sa Coinbase. Put your email ad and your password. Then they will send a verification code, 7-digit code in your mobile. Just copy and paste. Then click verify. This is the dashboard of Coinbase. In below, makikita natin yung prices, accounts, invite, and settings. In prices section, makikita natin yung Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. So ito yung current prices ng Bitcoin, BTC. We have $10,443 per 1 Bitcoin. In account section, dito natin makikita yung mga digital wallets, BTC wallet, BCH wallet, ETH wallet. Click natin yung BTC wallet. Dito tayo maka-send and receive Bitcoin. Yung sa akin, mayroon akong current account na 546 Satoshi. Equivalent siya sa 0.06. Depende siya sa price ng BTC. In invite section, pwede mo ma-introduce a friend to Coinbase. You will both get $10 of free Bitcoin when your friend buys or sells at least $100 of digital currency. In settings section, makita mo yung name mo, then your account. Native currency, you can change. For example, sa Philippine Peso, click PHP, then OK. Then sa click mo sa prices, mag-automatic siya, mag-Philippine Peso na siya. So 1 Bitcoin is equivalent to 530,905 pesos. Yun yung current ngayon ng price ng Bitcoin. nagfa-fluctuate siya depende sa price movement. In my next video, I want to share to you how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to Coins.ph. This is my end of my tutorial. Thank you.